Some of my Memphis Tigers would like to share with you some fun facts about blizzards. Listen as some of these Kipsters share their fun favorite facts with you.
My name is Akim, and I'm here to explain my favorite fact about blizzards. My favorite fact about blizzards is that you can watch meteorologists do weather uploads. You get to see blizzards on TV without getting hurt, and you'll know if a blizzard is coming.
Hi, my name is Tristan, and one fact about a blizzard is that you can get a frostbite because it's cold.
All the snow or the roof is a blizzard. A blizzard is bad. It snows a lot of time ago, like 30 miles.
A blizzard is a type of severe weather, and winds can blow up to 35 miles per hour, and snow can cover up anything like houses, doors, and cars.
My favorite fact about blizzards is a blizzard winds blow up to 35 miles per hour.
Hi, my name is Sophia, and a true fact about blizzards is that people can get lost and they might get frostbite if they stay in the cold too much.
I like about blizzards because it can snow and I can do snowmans.
Wow, Memphis Kipsters, those were some amazing facts. Thanks for sharing. And thank all of you for being here for our science fair today. See you later.